Hey guys, have you been trying to build and grow your network marketing company, or maybe you're in affiliate marketing and you're trying to get more leads, sales, and people to actually work with? Well, you come to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. I'm a top producer and top traffic provider in the online space, and I help people to build and grow their business online. And in this video, I'm just going to share some results with you right now on my Facebook page, and I'm going to take you over to the actual system so you can actually see. So right here I have 115 team members, and out of those team members I have 34 personals, and I have more free members as well. And out of those 34, 37 are actually uh, getting results. So they've made 37 sales, and I'm going to take you over here and I'm going to show you. So for this month with this system, I have 567 new leads that I did not generate. It all came from team production, and I have 8 referrals, and out of those 8 referrals, I have 2 that are paid signups, paid upgrades. So if you want to get started so you could get free leads and be able to work with new people, you can do so by clicking on the link in the description. That's going to take you over to a page that looks like this. There's a link in the description. Make sure you sign up for an account. It's free to use this system. You could create a free account, but if you want to earn, you can earn from this platform by upgrading when you get in for only $25. Now let me show you what's actually happening with this. So if I go to my dashboard right here, I have 115 team members and 34 that are paid. And so I have 44 that are free, 34 that are paid, and 37 that actually are making sales. So 37 sales were made already from those 34 team members. So it's growing very, very quickly, and people are getting results. And as you can see right here, I've already hit diamond rank with this because team production. And I'm really only using this system as a strategy to be able to build my primary business. So what we do when you sign up with me is I give you a custom funnel system to be able to build your primary business and to be able to generate leads and to be able to work with more people. So if you've been looking for a way to actually get more team members to work with, talk to more people, and to be able to build and grow your email list like I'm showing you right here, get free leads, with this whole system. It's very, very amazing. And with this system, in general, I have had over 1,000 leads so far, which is really amazing. And I'm going to show you the leads. So the lead count is 1,455 leads that I all got for free. And it's really, really amazing what these stats show, because I did not pay a single penny for those 1,400 leads that I have. And just this month right here, these 567 leads are just within the month. So it's been about a week now. It's the 8th right now. So it's been about a week, and I have 567 leads that I did not generate myself. It's completely free leads. And you could do the same. I'm only using Facebook and YouTube to be able to get these results. And I'm using this as a system. So if that makes any sense to you, I'm not doing this to build an opportunity. I'm doing it to actually build and grow my email list and to be able to get new people to sign up and work with them long term to help them to get results, right? So you can do the same thing in your primary business and use this as a way to grow your email list and be able to get new people that you work with, right? And when you work with those new people, you just plug them into the system that we create, and you can have them work with you in your primary business. So it's really amazing how this system is working, and you could actually get in there as well and start getting results, right? So all you got to do is click on the link below this video. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this, and you can get started to build and grow your business with this traffic strategy and this way to actually build and grow your business in a strategic way. So if you're in network marketing, if you're in affiliate marketing, if you're trying to grow your business online, I'd highly suggest on clicking on the link below this video and getting started today. It's free to create an account. You can become a paid member in here and earn. So when you become a paid member, you're basically coming in here, you're becoming a paid member for $25, and you're able to earn $15 fast start commissions plus 50% check match on your entire pay line, and also 25% on their referrals. So you can earn 25 on their referrals as well. So this compensation plan is really cool. Even though I'm not focused on the compensation plan, I'm focused on what this does as a tool to help you to build and grow your email list. Emails go directly to your email list when they come in. So there's no people that's held within the system. All the traffic that you'll get goes directly to your email list, and that's how you actually get results. All right. So if you have any questions, make sure you leave your comments below, and I will get back to you. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any time that I upload a video. And if you want to, you can get into my free Facebook group. There's a link in the description for that as well. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.